supporting equipment for a 5,000-ton per year LFP cathode material production line has been officially shipped in batches. Boyee's NMM high-throughput nano bead mills are ready for delivery, living up to the trust of both new and long-term customers. With years of expertise in LFP material grinding and dispersion, Boyee has successfully supported multiple companies establish and scale stable LFP production lines. The NMM 400L, 600L, 1000L, 1500L, and 2000L models are specially designed for the ultra-fine grinding needs of 10,000-ton scale annual LFP production lines, featuring high efficiency, energy savings, durability, and stable performance. Boyee provides comprehensive services ranging from equipment supply, production line upgrading, and turnkey EPC solutions, covering process design, core equipment, and system integration to plant construction, installation, and commissioning. Boyee delivers one-stop solutions that make production more efficient and worry-free. Trusted by both new and existing customers, Boyee continues to prove its strength through reliable equipment and proven project experience.